Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Boost mobile SIM on your phone. Now, first of all, make sure that your physical SIM, your Boost mobile SIM card, is correctly inserted into your phone, and then go to the browser of choice. Here I'm using Google Chrome, and the easiest way to go to the activation page is to simply search for it on Google. So open Google and search for Activate Boost mobile SIM card, as you can see I'm doing here. And now you want to tap on the second result here, not the first one where it says start. The second one saying activate Boost prepaid and mobile SIM online. Tap on it and it'll open the SIM activation page. Now, first of all, you need to enter your SIM serial number. That's the 13-digit number that is on your SIM card package. And once you enter it and confirm it, you can go ahead and continue the setup process. Next, you need to enter the service details, so the plan details or the subscription detail that you want to subscribe to. Finally, you need to enter your ID details and sign in with your Boost mobile account. And once you do so, your SIM card, your Boost mobile SIM card will be successfully activated on your phone.